Hey everyone, guess what? My last 2 videos on making AI cartoon animations blew up. You guys are loving this topic, and I'm here with something even better. I showed you 2 channels raking in millions of views and thousands of dollars with cartoon animations. I also shared a few AI tools that help you make awesome videos, both long and short. But I noticed you still had questions, especially about creating and editing long videos. So, I did a deep dive and spent a whole month researching. And guess what? I found an AI tool that does everything for you. No need to create images, edit videos, or even record voiceovers. This tool handles it all in one click, and the animations are top-notch. I'm super excited to share this with you because I know you're gonna love it. And if you want to start monetizing your AI channel, this tool is your golden ticket. But here's the deal. You need to watch this video step by step to make it work. So by the end of this video, I'll show you how to create amazing short-form videos using just your mobile phone. Since most of you have mobile phones, this tutorial will be perfect for you. So make sure to watch until the end. So stick around till the end and let's get started. Step 1. First, head over to LTX Studio, an incredible AI tool. Step 2. After logging in, you'll be greeted with an intuitive interface. Here, you can generate videos either from a prompt or a script. I'll show you how to create one from a prompt. Step 3. Click on the right prompt option. Now, it's time to get creative. Let's go ahead and type in our idea. For this example, I'll use Bible story. Step 4. Watch as your image transforms into a stunning 3D animation. The best part? You can even add your face to these characters. Here's how. Step 5. Click on the face swap option. From here, you can upload any image of your face. I'll go ahead and upload a random one to show you how it works. Step 6. Next, click on the edit button. Here you can personalize your character by naming it, changing the voice, or even adjusting the colors. Step 7. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click apply. You can repeat this process for any other characters in your video. Starting your video. When you click the start button, your video will begin processing. In just 1 to 2 minutes, your long-form video will be ready. But hold on, there's more to do to make your video truly engaging. Editing your video. Once the full video is ready, you'll see that the scenes are still being generated. Now you have the option to regenerate or edit each scene. I'll show you how to add sound effects to enhance your video. You can edit each scene to fit your needs, whether it's adjusting the shot, zooming in or out, or choosing a close-up. Fine-tuning your video. You can also download any part of the video and change the camera angle to your liking. Simply click on Camera Angle and select the angle you prefer. If you're not satisfied with a scene, you can easily change the angle and then click Generate to update your video. Once you're happy with the results, click the Done button. Once your scenes are ready, you can review them. If any scene doesn't look right, you can easily regenerate it. After that, quickly replace the old scene with the new one in your video. Next, you'll need to add sound effects. Search for appropriate sound effects based on each scene. For example, in the first scene, it's morning and the sun is rising, so I searched for morning sound effects. Choose a sound that fits the mood of your scene. Adding the right sound effects will make your video more engaging. Once all the sound effects are added, click the preview button to watch your video. If you notice any missing sound effects, or a scene that needs improvement, you can easily fix it by regenerating the scene or adjusting the sound effect. To fully preview your video, first click on the export button or choose the download video option. Your video will start downloading right away. Once it's downloaded, you're all set. Now let me show you how to create a video from a complete story. To make an animation video from a script, select the second option where you can input your idea. Click here to create a full script using ChatGPT. I've pasted the script here. Now click on the next button. The tool will generate characters for you, but you can customize their faces and voices as you like. If there's any scene you're not satisfied with, you can easily regenerate it. You can also add sound effects, change the camera angles, and more. After making your changes, just click on Export. To finalize your video. Step 1. Start with LTX Studio. First, open LTX Studio in your browser. Click on Start with Idea and paste the title of your video. Then, choose the 9:16 ratio for the perfect short-form video size. Step 2. Choose your style. You can pick any video style you like, but I'm going with the 3D style. After that, click on the Next button to start creating your video. The tool will generate characters for you that look just like real people, whether it's a boy, a father, or anyone else you need. Step 3. Customize your video. While your video is getting ready, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Once your video is ready, you'll see an interface where you can edit it. Here, you can add sound effects, change the camera angles, and even regenerate parts of the video if needed. Just follow the steps I showed you earlier. Step 4. Final touches. As I mentioned, you can easily change the angle and add sound effects through simple prompts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Finally, preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect. Step 5. Download and share. Once you're happy with your video, download it by clicking on Export and then Share Video. Your video will be saved to your device. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
I was just a shepherd, tending my father's sheep in a peaceful village. But when I heard about the giant threatening our people, I knew I had to act. I faced him with nothing but a sling and 5 stones, believing that God was with me. And in that moment, the impossible became possible. With a single shot, the giant fell and our village was saved. My faith and courage inspired others, and I became known as King David. I learned that even the smallest person can overcome the greatest challenges with faith and determination.